This is a review of the Bootstrap Farmer 4-cell deep, 5-colored 40-pack cell starting. And I absolutely love these. They are, nice and deep, and they have these have the large holes on the bottom. So then that way, when it comes time for, popping your seedlings out, all you do is poke your finger in there. And then it does have air pruning on the side. And I bought these because of the fact that I needed something, deeper when up potting certain seedlings like my tomatoes or my peppers. And I start my onion seedlings in these directly, and there's no need to up pot. You can see right there. So I start my onion seedlings in these particular 4 cells because of the fact that there is enough depth for the onion seedlings, the roots to grow for a couple months before I transplant them outside. I absolutely love how durable and heavy duty these cell starting cells are. I've used these for several years, and I can see myself being able to use them for several years to come. And that makes me feel better, knowing that I am investing in my growing future by utilizing a product that is reusable instead of having to rely on single-use plastics.